Hi everybody, it's CreativeSarah here. We're going to do a little painting with this paint that I have. It's the folk art chalk paint, and I'm just doing it kind of haphazardly, a little bit sloppy, a little bit distressed looking, just on this big hunk of wood. It's just a 2x4, and it's left over from framing our basement. So literally just picked it up from the wood pile and decided to do some chalking on it. And I'm going to use our, this one is Life is Better at the Lake. I'm going to grab the words The Lake. And we're going to do those in our blue color here. And then we are going to peel that off and grab the other one and add the Because Beaches Be Salty. Of course, I'm drying that first so that I can overlap these transfers. Now we're gonna fuzz this one, and Because Beaches Be Salty, we're gonna put that on with our gray color and get that on there. Perfect. And then we'll go ahead and dry it. And then after we dry it, we're just gonna add this giant rope. Guys, simplest project ever. You can do the same thing. Grab your supplies from the link in the description of this video. Have a great time. Hope you loved it, and thanks for watching.